Hey guys, welcome to another milestone achieved by Yendra Techno Solution. Delivering intelligent security where it matters the most. Today, we are proud to showcase our surveillance project here at Hita Ayurvedic Medical College, Hospital, Research Center, Nagasandra Post, Bangalore. This project consists of 25 fixed cameras and one PTZ camera to ensure the coverage of classrooms, wards, and the outskirts of these premises.
Hello guys, today we brought up a camera from Hikvision, that is tandem IP PTZ camera. This camera is a 4MP camera with a dual lens. One is a fixed one and one is a PTZ camera. That PTZ camera can zoom up to 25x zoom. In this camera is particularly we are installing for a examination center for a specific criteria of to zoom into particular student. Other than this, we also install 4 fixed camera to get the fixed view also for this examination center. You can see around here. Come on guys, now we'll unbox this camera and see what are the things consisting of. First it got the mounting bracket, AC to DC converter, Allen key for the screws, waterproof jacket because it can also be installed in the outdoor scenarios also instead of indoor scenarios. For that waterproof jacket. Here we have the main camera. One is the rotatable PTZ camera and one is the fixed view lens.
ಇದು 4MP IP ಫಿಕ್ಸೆಡ್ ಡೋಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ. ಇದನ್ನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
This is a electrical cable and line cable. PTZ camera bracket fixing completed. We have fixed the PTZ cameras.
Now we'll be seeing the camera, how it turns from IR light to the white light. The white light is a smart hybrid light which we get in the camera as a feature. So this is the latest feature where it detects human being and it automatically triggers the alarm. And also we have the active defense technology wherein the camera turns the white light on immediately after detecting the human being. So now our teammate will come and stand in front of the camera. You can see the camera image getting into the white light and the color image also comes. Hello. Come, let's explore the configuration today. Park action கொடுத்த உடனே 30 seconds முடிச்ச உடனே அது petrol number 1க்கு ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா இதாயிடும். Now you can see the black and white image. Immediately as soon as it detects a human being, it will turn into a color image. This is the AccuSense feature we have, so that the camera triggers the light and awares the intruder or the person who is coming into that area.